They say a parent's love has no boundaries. Well, today, I got to put that to the test. I'm Dan Reeves, and on this particular occasion, Nextbase transported me instantly into the passenger seat of my daughter's car. Like any dad, I worry about my girl. As a new driver, she's bound to make mistakes. All kids do.
Hey Dashcam, activate witness mode.
I'm here, Mila. You okay?
I'm okay.
Stay calm, remember to be polite, get all the driver's information. I watched with pride as Mila conducted herself with poise as she exchanged information with the other driver. She had confidence knowing that she had all the evidence she needed and that I was there to support her. She wasn't alone. I really believe that being there helped, knowing that at any moment I could step in, even if at the end of it all, I didn't need to. That's when I knew that the Nextbase IQ was more than just a dash cam. It became my way to protect Mila anytime she was behind the wheel. And with the Nextbase IQ, I can always be there.